Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to hide likes and share accounts on Instagram. Hiding likes and shares can create more relaxed browsing experience and helps you focus on content without social pressure. So let's get started on how to hide likes and share accounts on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, find the like and share counts option. Once you find it, tap on it. You will now see the option to hide likes and share counts. Tap on the toggle switch right next to this option to turn it on. And this is how you can hide likes and share counts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.